Hello everyone and welcome on this video on my latest app that I created. It's a file finder app. What this app does is when you look for a certain file, maybe you just know the name or a part of the name of the file, then you choose your root folder, and then that based on your search criteria, it will return all the files that's in your search criteria, and it will copy all of those files to a separate folder, and then it will return a list showing all the files that have been copied with the file path, so that you know where those files came from. Now if you download it from my website, it will come in a zip file. Then you can just extract all of the data first, and then there you go. Here's the application. You can have a look at the readme file if you want to, but we're not going to go through it in this video. I'm going to explain how it works. You can read the readme file on your own time. Okay, now say for instance, if I open the file, the first thing that it will ask me is what do I want to look for. So it's a word or a number. In this case, we are just going to look for all the files that have the word George in it. Where do I want to look for it? I want to look for it in this folder. Now this is your root folder. The root folder is, if you're not sure that it's only in one folder, maybe it's in other subfolders. What this app does, it's not just going to look in this folder, it's also going to look in this folder. And if here was a folder, it would also look in that folder. And if there were 10 folders also, going 10 folders deep, it will also look in all of those folders. The third field, where do you want to copy this? I want to copy it just here. So okay, let's move there. I want to copy it over there. Okay, now let's press find and see what happens. Okay, all files were successfully copied, and then there were 2 files created showing the path in the listing. It's a CSV file and a text file. Okay, let's have a look. Before we open this, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 files. In this folder, the root folder, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one should be 2, 1, 2, yeah. So it not only took these files, but also those files as well. So even if you have another folder, it will also take all of those files and copy it to your desired file. And if you have a look, it shows all the paths of the files that were copied. These come from the root folder, and then the other 2 is from the one subfolder. So yeah, this is how you use this application. Questions, comments, concerns in the comment section. Yeah, so you feel free to download it on the website and use it how you see fit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.